Banjo Theme for Outer Wilds is played in standard tuning with no capo. If you're jamming along with the full mix, you'll want to play it in exactly the same way, just pop a capo on the 2nd fret. I'm going to start off with the 3rd fret of the low A string, open G, open B, on the 4 and, we'll grab the G again, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and. I've got a little run, 1, pull off to open on the B, 2, pull off to open on the G, and then 2, slide up to 4 on the G, or hit the open G. So 1 pull off to open on the B, 2 open on the G, 2 slide up to 4 on the G, open. So slowly so far we have the 3rd fret on the A, walk up, pull off, slide, open. We'll then play pretty much the same thing as before. We're just going to start the riff on the open D string instead of the 3rd fret of the A. So open D, G, B, 4 and we pick the G again. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and. We're going to have 1 pull off to open on the B again, 2 open on the G, slide up 2 to 4 on the G, then we're going to grab the 3rd fret on the B, back to 4 on the G there. So 2nd part D, pull off, slide, 3, 4, and so far. Then go to the 2nd fret on the D string, open G, open B, on the 4 and again, grab the G, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and. We have the same ending riff as we did the first time, 1 pull off on the B, 2 pull off on the G, slide up 2 to 4, open G. So. Then we go through the riff as we did the 2nd time, open D, open G, open B, open G, and then the riff, 1 pull off, open on the B, 2 open on the G, 2 slide up to 4 on the G, 3 on the B, 4 on the G. That's the whole riff. So the whole thing played really slowly.